Hi sa friends. Oh,
Hi!
how are you?
Hello!
Ano yung nafe-feel mo ngayon na nagdadrive ka na ng sarili mong sasakyan? How do you feel?
Of course! Happy! Dili lang para sa ako, kundi para sa whole family.
Hi guys, good afternoon. Welcome back to our channel. Happy Sunday everyone. Today is a very special day kasi ang ating baby girl turned 2 years old and 7 months.
Mama.
Yes.
Mine!
What is that? Wala, ang sabon ni Mommy.
Mine!
Show tita and tito your outfit, be. Paris is wearing a dress today.
No.
Ang tingnan nyo guys, second day na nating suot tong ating layered necklace. Ayan. O, diba? Super cute. Because it's Paris's 2 years and 7 months today, guys. We are taking her out for a treat. Where are we going, honey? Where are we going? Where? Ah, nagpataka na sad. We are taking Paris out sa isang ice cream shop. Anak, we're going to ice cream shop. Huh? Not ice cream truck, ice cream shop. Yes. Are you excited?
Yes, I'm daddy.
Yeah? Meron kasing isang ice cream shop na malapit dito sa amin, guys. Kaya, we are going to take Paris there now. Ititreat namin ang ating baby girl. Anak, calm down, anak. Let's go na.
No?
Hello, let's go na. Daddy will leave us now. Daddy! Call daddy na.
Daddy!
Call daddy, quick.
Daddy! Daddy!
Hala, daddy's gone. Hala, daddy went out na. Let's go. Ito yung pa-outfit natin for today. Suot ko yung hair clip na natanggap ko. Ayan. Sobrang cute. And then, yung aking white na romper. Ayan. Super cute. This is size 10 pala, guys. I am normally size 8. Pero ito siya. Parang okay lang naman. Nabili ko pala ito siya from Ukay Ukay, I think. Sobrang cute kasi gustong-gusto ko yung ganito. Eyelet ba yung tawag dito, guys? Sa ganitong, pattern. Ganyan. And it is white too, guys. Kaya sobrang in love ako sa white. Kasi parang lang ba? Purity. Ganon. Ayan. So, at sobrang love na love ko to dito, guys. Oh. Tapos, dahil may, siya dito, may belt siya dito na cloth. Ganyan. Parang nasi-cinch in niya. So, it looks like maliit ang ating bewang kahit naman. Hindi pala. Anyways. Ayan na siya, guys. At i-pair lang natin siya sa ating maliit na bag. Ito yung bag na pinili ko kasi para contrast siya. White tsaka brown. Ayan. Let's go! Tara! Get it. Hello, let's go na. Hala, daddy is leaving us now. Put the shoes on. Ito yung shoes na pinili niya, oh. Do you know how to put it on?
Like this.
No, it's the other way around. This way.
No.
Hala. Kalabas na kami, guys. Ayan. May nag-cut pala ng grass namin dito, guys. Oh, sequoia. Ayan. Sobrang linis sa tingnan. Nak, it looks very clean na, nak. Ang batang naghihintay na i-open ni Mami. Open! Wala na unso ng imong bang snack.
Yeah.
I want to play. Oh, my shoe.
That's okay.
Your shoe!
I want the picture, so package up it.
Rinse it down properly.
Yeah. Put those in, mother.
Good girl.
Let's go to cars.
Where are we going, Paris?
Let's go shops.
Take by
The
the light.
shops.
Ice
Sit
cream?
down na.
Okay.
Let's go.
Sit down properly.
Sit down properly so we can buy ice cream.
Ready?
Like this. Not yet, anak. We have to change the seat soon.
Footing.
Good job, my love.
Okay. Did Daddy get the seatbelt buckle? There you go.
Tito, go home.
Tito, go home. Yeah, hold this one.
Yeah, Tito, go home.
Say bye-bye, Tito.
Bye, Tito.
Bye, Tito! Tito yung tawag niya sa naglinis ng
This
ano
one.
namin,
Where's the other one? Yeah.
yard.
He's on the car bumps.
Are you okay, anak?
No, Daddy, no.
You have to put this one up so we can get the ice cream. Chocolate.
We're here, guys. Gold Rock ice cream. Is Paris excited? Paris excited? Hi, Daddy. Is that Daddy? Ice cream. Yes. So sweet.
Thank you. Look at mommy.
Mama, yellow. Bye, bye,
Yeah.
yellow.
You say thank you, Daddy?
Thank you, Daddy.
Yeah, yeah.
Thank you, Daddy.
Thank you, Daddy.
Kiss. Kiss.
Good girl.
Hey, Mommy. My sister, Mommy needs to
Mommy's gonna get one. This is mine. I've got double choc and Aussie vanilla.
Say bye-bye.
Thank you. Say thank you, honey. Upo muna kami dito, guys. Dito muna namin kainin ng aming ice cream. Sit down, Paris. Wow. Yummy, yummy. Tapos na si Paris sa kanyang ice cream. Very messy na, oh. Where are you going now, honey?
What about?
Where are we going now, Paris? Peppa Pig water bottle.
Okay?
Punta kami ng Coast kasi malapit naman kami sa Coast.
Mommy.
Punta kami, bili kami na
Sanda.
Baby Sander water bottle. Gaganda ng mga flowers, guys. Oh.
Look, it's this one.
Wow.
This one.
At yung Coast ay nandyan lang. Oh.
But you.
Paris get strawberry. Wala, very cheap ang kanyang strawberry ngayon, guys. Oh, $2 lang.
This one.
Put it inside.
Thank you, Paris.
Oh,
Hala, very messy ang ating baby girl, ah.
What's up?
Thank you, Paris. What else you want? Ito lang yung mga water bottle nila, guys. Wala yung may strap ba para malagay ni Paris sa kanyang liig. Ganito lang. Which one you like? Huh?
Yeah.
Sorry.
This one.
That one?
Okay.
Okay. Hala, wala gapoy ko anak. Strap. Okay.
So that one.
Okay. This one manak, oh. This one, oh, that's too small. You need a bigger one.
No.
This one, oh.
No, my daddy.
That's pink and purple. You like that? Sure, Daddy. Si Paris,
This one.
nilagay niya lahat.
Nothing.
Huh?
Nothing.
She's one anak. We can't get everything. Baba. Good girl. Uli ba? Wala, nilagay niya lahat dito.
Let's go.
Good girl.
Hey, Daddy.
This one is yours, oh.
It's a car.
That's right. Let me see, babe. What's the... Wala man po'y cover, ani na.
Open it. No, it's tight.
Yeah, I don't like that because there's no cover. Maybe get this one instead, oh. This one? Wala, wala. Can you put it back, ma? This one, oh. This one is nicer, na. At least may cover yung kanyang... Yung sinisip-sip ni Paris ba? Put this back. Good girl. Yeah, let's go. Balik na kami sa sasakyan, guys. And Paris has been a really good girl. She was walking from Coles hanggang dito. Bit-bit niya ang kanyang bottle. Tignan niyo. Oh.
My toy.
There you go.
It's my toy.
I'll get it for you.
This one.
Get Daddy the ice cream, please. Get Daddy ice cream so I can put it in the car.
Yeah. Good girl. Careful.
Sit down in the car.
Get in the car, Nakab.
Get in the car, Baba.
Mama will open.
But baby.
Ayan, matutulog na yan siya. Ngayon kasi nakakain na. Nakatulog ang ating baby girl, guys. Alis muna si Mami. Punta tayo ng KFC. Do you want anything, Daddy? Okay. This is it. Yan. And then, we've got this. Now, 4 o'clock ng hapon and kakapark ko lang dito sa labas ng bahay. Si Baby Paris natin ay nakatulog pa. Kaya si Daddy Mike lumabas na, dinala niya yung mga napamili natin sa grocery store. And magpapaiwan muna tayo dito kasi tulog pa si Baby Paris natin. And hindi na ako makapaghintay, guys. Kakainin ko na tong ating, nagmantika-mantika, oh. Umorder ako ng Wicked Wings. Oh my God. Tinry ko na yung isa doon sa labas ng KFC. And sobrang love it talaga, guys. Alam niyo yung, tingnan niyo, oh. Diba sa mga fried chicken, alam niyo talaga kapag fresh, bagong luto, at talagang maganda yung quality ng meat. Kasi, tinry ko siya kanina, guys. Very crispy, very hot. Sobrang fresh talaga ng meat. Kaya, love na love ko. Kina.
Come on. Come in.
Go. She's very sweaty, Daddy.
You
Have a look at her hair.
Come on, Baba.
Woohoo!
Daddy.
Ang ating baby girl ay kumakain na ng kanyang popcorn chicken. Hala! Ininom niyang water ng kanyang daddy.
Look for the whole pen.
Yeah, that's a big one.
That's a bit for daddy.
What are you watching now?
I want to
Peppa Pig. Tingnan niyo ang ating bulaklak, guys, oh. Nalaglag na ang kanyang mga petals. Tingnan niyo, oh.
Sammy.
Yan na lang. Naiwan. Ito, wala na talaga, guys. Wala nang naiwan. Nak na? That one?
Okay.
Yeah, Mama has to wash it first, okay? Mama will give it to you after. Okay? Sobrang singot ang bata, ah.
Turn you on the bottle.
Yeah, Mama will get it, okay? You go sit with Daddy and Mommy will wash it quickly for you. Thank you! Gusto na ni Paris gamitin yung kanyang water bottle, guys. Pero, i-sterilize muna natin. Lagyan muna natin ng ng pinakulo ang tubig ba. Ayan. So, ito yung binili namin para sa kanya. Ayan. Kasi, I think this is the perfect size. Yung gusto niya talaga doon sa shop kanina, sobrang liit. And I think that's not, the best for her. So, ayan. And then, pakita ko sa inyo, guys. Ito din nagustuhan niya. So, si Daddy Mike pala yung bumili nito kanina sa shop. So, ayan, oh. Anong brand nito? Tommy Tippy. Ayan. So, natawa nga ako, guys, nung binili ito ni Daddy Mike. Kasi, parang feel ko na si Paris ay baby pa rin. Where, in fact, she's already 2 years and 7 months today, diba? Na-mention ko na nga kanina. And then, parang, nabaguhan ako na bumibili kami nito. Kasi si Paris talaga, guys, she never used biberon. She never used tawag ito, milk bottle. Ever since talaga. Never talaga sa tanang buhay ni Paris na gumamit siya ng ganito. And, sabi ni Daddy Mike, we'll give it a try. Kasi diba si Paris, breast milk si Paris from day dot. And umiinom siya ng milk, pero yung iniinuman niya ay yung mga yung mga cup, yung mug, ganun. Hindi talaga siya nakagamit ng ganito. And then during the night kasi, pag natutulog si Paris, most of the time, gusto niyang magdidi, ganun, for milk. So, sabi ni Daddy Mike, what if kahit ano na si Paris ngayon, late na siyang mag-start ng ganito, ayan, ilalagay namin yung milk dito during the night and see if mag-work yan at hindi na niya ako kailangan pa na magpa-dedi sa kanya during the night. So, we'll see how that goes, guys. Oh my God, yung aking baby is malaki na, tsaka pa magbibiron. So, nag-boil muna ako ng tubig, guys, para malinisan na natin tong bagong water bottle ni Paris. And then, bumili din pala ako nito. Ayan, oh. Yung brush para sa kanyang water bottle. Kasi, minsan nahihirapan akong yung sa ilalim ba. Kapag normal lang na sponge yung ginagamit ko. So, this one, bottle and teeth brush. Ayan. So, mas easy yung clean sa kanyang water bottle. Before ko pala ipapakita sa inyo yung mga napamili natin sa shops, guys. Gusto ko lang pala i-congratulate ang aking little sister, Mimi. Kasi yesterday, bumili siya ng kanyang first car. And super proud of her, guys. Kasi alam kong dream lang to before na magkasasakyan siya. And, you know, to have like your first car at 22 years old, sobrang nakaka-proud talaga. Saludo ako sa iyo, Mingay. Kasi I know how hard you work for this. Kaya alam kong deserve na deserve mo talaga to. And alam niyo, guys, merong mga nagsasabi na bakit hindi siya nagtapos ng college at nag-online selling lang siya ng Ukay Ukay. Na-mention ko na naman sa previous video ko before na yung sister ko nga nag-online selling, nagla-live selling siya ng Ukay Ukay. And then, guys, huwag niyong i-underestimate ang power ng Ukay Ukay. Kasi alam niyo, guys, pinatunayan talaga ng sister ko na hindi basihan yung pagtatapos ng kolehiyo para maabot mo yung mga pangarap mo, para mabili mo yung mga bagay na gusto mo. Yes, anak? What is it that you want? What is it you want? Nag-start siya ng kanyang Ukay Ukay, live selling, and from that, isang bail pa yon, tapos nagdalawang bail yung binili niya. And then from that, naisip niya na mag-open ng munting, kahit little meat shop lang, kasi yun yung, ang tawag dito, yung field ng family namin. Yung tatay tsaka yung brother ko. Yes, honey. There you go. Yung tatay tsaka brother ko, guys, they are both butcher. So, matadero sila. Kaya, yung sister ko, napag-isipan niya na mag-open siya ng kanyang sariling meat shop. And then, from that, guys, yun na nga. Nung sinabi niya sa akin na, kasi lahat naman ng mga plano niya, sinasabihan niya ako. I'm very proud kasi I feel like I'm part of it. Alam niyo yun, yung feeling na yun. And, nung sinabi niya sa akin na, she will buy her new car. Hindi naman siya brand new car, guys, ha? Just to let you know. Hindi siya brand new, but to think that it's a car at pinag-ipunan niya yon at pinaghirapan niya talaga yung pera para mabili niya yung gusto niya. It's a proud moment, guys, for her ate. I so admire her dedication at yung hard work niya talaga para marating yung gusto niyang marating, para makuha yung gusto niyang makuha. Kaya, yeah, super proud of her, guys. How many times ko na bang na-mention ang proud na word dito, guys, sa video na to? But yeah, there's no other word para i-explain ko yung nararamdaman ko ngayon for her, guys. Super happy kung ano yung na-achieve niya. Yeah, it makes me very proud. Proud na naman tayo. Proud as her sister. Anyways, nakaka-inspire lang talaga, guys. Kaya, yeah, super happy for you, Mingay. Speaking of the devil, guys, tumawag pa lang aking sister at hindi ko napansin. Nag-message siya sa akin, sabi niya, answer the call daw kasi nag-aaral daw siyang mag-drive. O, diba? Bumili na siya ng sasakyan niya. Hindi pa siya marunong mag-drive. Ayan na.
Tawag na ako, tay. Hi, vlog!
I just shared to them, Mac. Karon pa, Jude. Speaking of the devil, imbis na gisod istorya may about sa kung vlog. About sa imo, nakadungog siguro ka. Yan siya, guys, oh. Congratulations! Mac, so interviewin kita, Mac. Is it okay?
Yes.
Is it okay if interviewin kita? Maganda ka naman eh. Parang pinaghandaan mo eh.
Gani kayo nakabang
Sana all, homies. Okay, madam. So, meron akong mga katanungan sa'yo. Ay, katanungan. Isang katanungan lang pala. Isang tanong lang pala. Are you ready?
Yes, I'm ready.
Gusto ko lang malaman kung ano yung nafe-feel mo ngayon na nagdadrive ka na ng sarili mong sasakyan. How do you feel?
Of course, happy. Dili lang para sa ako, kundi para sa whole family. Kahit si mama, si Udong, tagahapon. Very true na kasi pag naog sa party pa. Nakasakyanan sila, Pinoy naman tayo palitun. Pinoy! Bitaw, but seriously, grabe kayo kumahap. Samot na itong mag-ano, atong waday, behind the deed of sale. Deed of sale?
Yep.
With my name on it. Oh my God. Char.
Yeah.
Ikaw, dili pa ko ito. Pag ano gani first day na mo ni tapos kumupra nga. Nagsakyan ng putan, surot sa putan.
Yeah.
Pero grabe ako nila from shop, ay sa marka, ay sa kuwan, sa kumprahan. Like, dili na mo rin tapay-tapay nga lisod o ay sa mga utan kay nara sa motor. Di na problema kay safety na kaayo. Very fulfilling lang kayo sa feeling na sa tanan pagpaligkamot na ano na nakapot. Of course, with your support, hindi nga pangandoy, nakapot na ko yung pangandoy. And sa family na, like, I don't wanna cry.
Yeah, now theory na ko, theory eyes na ko. But yeah, that's why I told them, Mac, na I'm super proud of you. I am very happy for you. Kasi, yun, naabot mo yung gusto mong, nabili mo yung gusto mong bilhin with yung sa sarili mo lang talaga. Yeah. Nagpalabas ng ating baby girl.
Mommy, open it.
Huh? Open the garage?
Okay.
We don't have the key, Nak. Come sit here, oh. Marinis na dito kasi may nag-cut kanina, oh. Huh?
Daddy.
Have a look. Mommy's got snacks. Tingnan nyo, guys.
Mommy.
Yeah, binili ko sa shops
It's
kanina.
chocolate.
Yes. And then we've got Doritos. Ang daddy Mike natin ay nasa loob ng bahay, guys. Nagnanap. That's mommy's. Thank you, Nak.
It's for Paris.
Thank you. Sis, dalagang gamay naman kanak, oy. Dalagang gamay man ni mama, oy. Careful ha, gay. Wala na ba nagpants? Madusmo na po na karon. Careful ikaw ha. Is that mama's?
Delicious.
Thank you, Paris.
Delicious, Mommy.
Okay, thanks. Uy, say hi sa friends, oh.
Hi.
How are you?
You. That's Mommy. Thanks.
I like your shoes now. I love it. Paris, sit down too with mommy. Good girl.
I see duck.
Huh?
And duck.
Where's your water bottle now? The pink one, the new one.
Okay.
Higa. Kunin muna namin, guys, para mag-uwinom nito ng tubig. Mama will get it for you.
No, I'm gonna do.
Okay. Quick, kaya kawaton to sa eagle lang atong chips. Okay, you got it. Good job. Careful. Come on, Sito!
Yeah.
Ito, makita nila ang lubot ni Mami.
Yeah.
10 o'clock ng gabi, guys. Yes, it's 10 o'clock na. It feels like parang hindi pa siya late kasi kagabi, guys, this time was only 9 o'clock. Kasi nga sa daylight savings namin. Kaya, yun, nag-shower kami ni Baby Paris. Kaya sinan nyo ang aming hair ay basa pa. And ayan siya, oh. Hi, Nak. Gamit niya yung, yung hooded towel na bigay sa kanya ng daddy niya. Mickey Mouse! What are you drinking, Nak? Tingnan niyo siya, guys. Oh, umiinom from the bottle. Kung hindi siya nag 2 years old and 7 months, hindi siya gagamit ng bibiron. By the way, guys, ito ang ating positive quote of today. It says, I embrace the rhythm and the flowing of my own heart. Ayan. Ay, hindi nagpo-focus. Ayan. I-ano natin yung vlog dito, guys. Ipapatulog na natin ang ating baby girl. Even though parang ano pa siya, super... I don't think matutulog to, guys. Mommy is not sick. What's mommy's name? What's mommy's name?
Kenny.
Allah. Natawa ako kanina, guys, kasi sabi niya, Mommy Jovey, ganun siya. Bakanta ka.
Mommy Kana. Mommy Kana.
Kana.
Mommy Nina.
I don't think matutulog to siya, guys, very soon. Kasi tingnan niyo.
Nina.
Energetic pa.
Maiti Nina.
Unsa?
Nina. 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 Nina.
What's that? Uy. Grabe ko, energetic ng bata. Maraming salamat sa inyong lahat sa patuloy na pagsuporta sa ating channel. Yes, I'm looking at you, anak. Hala, cover na. Uy, makita imong lubot. Uy! Uy, anak ko. Relax na, kay gabi na. Mag-shoutout lang tayo, guys. And the first shoutout goes to Cora Tagapulot from CDO. Hello, Silingan. Shoutout to Arlene De Torres, Asteril Josiah, and also shoutout daw from Malazab family. Shoutout to Nancy Del Rosario, from San Fernando, Pampanga. Shout out to Josie Carzano from Bohol. Hazel Pasatiempo. Cherry Salazar. Maria Himora. Janzi Pinay, Australia. Ites Antoha. Fasheya Banyil. Idna Bartulay. Helena Putong. Shout out to Maria Luz Florimonte, Mad Brat. Shout out to Jonah Reese, Irene Banas, Myla Alonzo, Lavella Raduk, Medin Maraon, Vida Feliz, Myla Betasolo, Teresita Abaluyan, Joanne Awano, Blessed Eva Anasalif, Joanne Ambe, Hilaska, Jasmine Visperas, Maricar Castañeda, Mayet Ibora, and LV Monte Alegre. That's about it for today's video, guys. I hope that you enjoyed. Please don't forget to give this video a thumbs up if you like it. And don't forget to hit the subscribe button to be a part of this family. We hope to see you all, guys, in the next one. Don't forget to be good, and if you can't,
Bye.
bye! Close!
Bye.